Good morning, 7th graders. It is Wednesday, January 4th, and we have an e-learning day today. So this is just a quick overview of what you'll be doing. So we will finish yesterday's activity when we're back at school tomorrow. So we're going to move on to activity 16 today. And so you will start by clicking on the link for that. It says take out your booklet. If you do not have your booklet, you will need to make a copy of the pages here. So you can just click here and then do the file, make a copy, and you can type on that copy, or you can print this out if you have a printer at home. And then you're going to go through the slideshow to complete the questions. So you're doing activity 16. I should maybe keep that open, so I can show you. So you're going to go through these questions. I did number them on this one. They're not numbered in your booklet. So if you want to reference this, you can. But you are today going to be answering some questions and then writing a CER. So you'll go through the slideshow to complete the questions. So the first part, it says to read through and observe the data and then answer questions 1 through 3. So you're going to read through these 2 pages. You're looking at this data as well as the information to answer questions 1, 2, and 3 on your worksheet. Okay. Then the second slide, you are watching a video on these squirrels. You can click on the link or the link over here. If it doesn't work, if it doesn't open up for you, it's because you need to log into Discovery Ed. So what you would do is go into your Rapid Identity and find this Earth with the D by it and click on it. And then it will just say like log in. It'll ask if it's your name and log in. And so just do that and then keep that logged in a different tab. All right. Oops. I'm lost in here. Okay. So then you will watch that video and answer question 4. You're making a list of ways humans can protect albino squirrels. Then you are going to be writing a claim, evidence, reasoning. And one thing that we talked a little bit about, but just a reminder, I highlighted in yellow here, we know that albinism not only affects the color of the organisms, but it also affects their eyesight. Organisms that have albinism have poor eyesight as well. So you could think maybe how that might be a harmful mutation to squirrels in particular. So you're going to answer question 5 in your notebook that says, why might albino squirrels need help and protection from the human communities they live near? And how do you think albinism affects the survival of the squirrels? So think about what we've talked about in class and answer that question. And then you're going to write a CER, so a claim, evidence, reasoning, to answer those questions. Okay. If you get stuck, I have a sentence starter for your claim here. So the claim: albino squirrels need protection by humans because, and you might think about some of the things that their mutation causes them. So we talked about eyesight, we talked about how color might make them more susceptible to predators. And so you would write your claim in there. Then your evidence you would find, and this is going to go on your worksheet over here. You're going to find at least 1, possibly 2 pieces of evidence of things we've learned about to support that, and then your reasoning as well. Then you're going to go through and answer question 6. It's actually question 7 and 8. I'll change that in a minute. And then once you're finished with that, you are going to take your claim, evidence, reasoning that you wrote in question 6, and on the discussion post, you can, you're going to type that in here. Okay. If you typed it on the document, copy and paste it. And then once you post it, you're going to offer positive feedback on 2 other posts. Okay. If you're like the first one or the second one and there's not 2 other posts to comment on, maybe come back later and do that piece once people have done. All right. So those are your activities for today. So reading, doing the questions by going through the slideshow, writing a claim, evidence, reasoning, and posting it in the discussion post. I'm available until 3 o'clock by email if you have any questions. Have a great day.